Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate job applications and screening via WhatsApp. For example, you are the HR of any company and you got many job applications at once. Responding each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So before starting the video of creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate job applications and screening via WhatsApp, let me give you a quick overview of how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your users instantly by sending a message to my WhatsApp business account of HR management. Here I am sending a message as job application. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. That is, please choose the job you would like to apply for, while also providing me one option of open list. When I click on it, see, it will provide me the job list, that is software developer, marketing manager and sales executive. Let's say I'll select a software developer. Then you can see the bot will ask me for my full name. So here I am sharing my full name as test user. Then it will ask me to upload a resume. So I am uploading one test resume. Here you can see I uploaded one test resume. After that, you can see the bot will ask me for my contact number. So here I am sharing one test contact number. Here you can see the bot will respond to me automatically, including the information that is, thank you test user for applying. We will review your application and get back to you soon. Good luck. Here you can see the bot will respond to me by my name that I have given them here as test user. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your job applications and screening that will automatically respond to your users 24/7, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's enable you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick overview of Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community. It is a special space where all users of Pabbly, whether beginner or experts, come together to ask questions, share ideas and help each other. If you are stuck anywhere while using Pabbly, you can post your doubt here and other users or even the Pabbly team might help you out. You will also find useful tips, updates and example for real user. So it's a great place to learn and connect with others who are using Pabbly just like you. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. So here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on the sign up option to create your account and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I'll go ahead and click on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you can see this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. If you click on this, then you can see it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might use for scanning a QR code or WhatsApp number integration. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. If you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Now in this section you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account, while in this home section you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here on the left hand side you can see the different features of Pabbly Chatflow, where the first is the inbox, then the contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings and get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flow feature by clicking on this. So this is the flow builder page where you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. Here you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. It will create it without requiring any programming skills. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of creating our WhatsApp chatbot, in where at first you have to select the trigger event. If you click on this, then you can see it will provide you multiple types of trigger event. The one is keyword/regex, second is user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field update, tag assigns and contacts birthday. It is coming soon. Here I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this keyword/regex. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me, and the regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. So before starting the creation of our WhatsApp chatbot, at first you have to give the name to your flow that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided that is automate job applications and screening via WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords. So here I am entering some keywords. The first keyword I'll write as job application. After writing this, you have to press enter so that it will add it to your list. Here I am adding two more expected keywords: apply for job and HR services. Here I entered 3 keywords. You can also add multiple. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then my bot will respond to them. For that I am taking one list button. I'll drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided into 3 parts, that is header, body and footer. So in this case I am not writing any header, so I am leaving this blank. Here I am going to write the body as please choose the job you would like to apply for. Here you can see I write this in asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will deliver to my users in the bold format. After that, I have no need of footer, so I am leaving this blank. Then I am going to click on this add section button. If you click on this, then it will ask you to provide a section title that I am going to write as job types. After that I am going to click on this plus add items button. It will again provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the first job type in this enter title box. Here I write it, that is software developer. You can also write description in this enter description box. I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. After that I am going to click on this plus add item button because I want to create a job list. So the process of adding job types would be the same. Here I added that is marketing manager, sales executive. After that, I am going to connect my trigger point to my list box. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now, whenever my user will select any of this job type, then at first my bot will ask them about their full name. For that, I am clicking on this action option and take button as ask a question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a message as what is your full name. After that, I am going to select my contact custom field as full name. I already created this field before. Now I'll show you how this field will create. For that, you have to click on the setting option and go in this contact custom field. So here you can see this is the page where you can create a contact custom field for your different type of users, in where you have to simply click on this plus add more field button. It will provide you one box where you can provide the field name as well as the description. I already created by the name of full name. Now we will get back to our Pabbly chart flow. So here I have selected as full name. Then the format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your users, then you can write in this box. After that, I am connecting all these 3 circles to this message, because whenever my user will select any of this job type, then at first my bot will ask them about their full name. After that, then my bot will ask them to upload their resume. For that, I am taking one ask media button. I'll drag this box here and writing a message as please upload your resume. Here I write please upload your resume. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as resume. After that, the media type I'll select as document. Then the number of attempt I'll give as 1, and I am not writing any message, so I am leaving this blank. Then I am connecting this circle to this message. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now, whenever my user will provide me their resume, then my bot will ask them about contact number. For that, I am again clicking on this action option and take button as ask question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a message as please can you share your contact number. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as contact number. After that, the format I'll select as number. You can provide minimum as well as the maximum value here. I am not providing, so I am leaving this blank. Then the number of attempt I'll give as 1. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now, whenever my user will provide me all of their details, that is their full name, resume, as well as the contact number, then at last my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write my respond message. Here I write that is thank you with dollar symbol full name. You can see I'll use this dollar symbol here because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my users by their name. As different users have different names, so for sending their individual name, we will use this symbol. In simple words, this symbol make the word dynamic. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate job applications and screening via WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. If you are the HR of any company, then you can also create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot that will reply to your job applicants instantly. Collect their information, that is their name, resume and contact number. And the best part is this bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. So go and create your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.